I mentioned very clearly, this has nothing to do with digitalization. Absolutely not. And of course, that is something that I definitely stand behind. I don't think anyone can not stand behind it, because that's a wave that is taking place. And you either on that wave or you're going to be left out where digitalization is concerned. However, cryptocurrencies as such is not just digitalization. No, that's a total different arena. And that has exactly been my point, sort of anticipating, I say again, on those type of statements. Has nothing to do with a digitalized world or even a digitalized financial system. Most of our banks, if not all of them, are already, some more than others, digitalized where their services are concerned. As a government, however, we need to make sure that whatever digitalization we put in place or is in place in our countries, that our people can keep up with that. It's one thing to say you have, for example, the banking system digitalized, but we need to make sure, and that's a government responsibility, not a bank's responsibility, that our people who need to make use of these services can indeed make use, and nobody falls between the cracks because they can't manage the digitalization or whatever the case may be. So definitely it has nothing to do with digitalization as a process, as a wave, as I like to call it, but that one member of parliament is going to single out a particular cryptocurrency and make it seem as if this is something that a government of St. Martin is endorsing, one that the Parliament of St. Martin is endorsing. I needed to make it very clear that that is not the case.